Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I went to a tournament and, yeah, I have the new set and I have sealed stuff, like this pre-release kit. This is the only actual thing that has these packs so far, is a pre-release kit, unless you get these, but whatever. So we're gonna open this pre-release kit, and I've already opened one, but I mean, whatever. So, all I know is that there's a Persian and Volcanian promo. So we're going to open this. It says 23 foil card evolution deck, including 1 of 4 unique foil promo cards, 4 booster packs, and a code card. I'll give you guys a code card. So I'm going to open it now. It's being mean. Okay, so here's the stuff we get inside. We got the Persian promo. I'm actually not going to open this up. And then we got 4 additional packs of Unbroken bonds. So, just going to put this back here. So, let me move this. I don't know why I have that there. We're going to start with Gardevoir and the kid, Sylveon. I just saw the code. I'm a bot. Well, here's a code. Oh, crap. Oh, did I not give you guys a code? Oh, whatever. I don't care. Energy. If I can... Okay, here. Whatever. Poliwrath. Oh my. Gloom. Dodrio. Goldeen. Alolan Diglett. Slowpoke. Litten. Murkrow. Golem. And a Raichu. Ooh, that's actually nice. Okay, Charizard and Reshiram. Here's the code. We got a fighting type energy. Clefairy, Happy PPP, Sandshrew, Oddish, Mischievous, Sandlet, Screamcrow, Ultra Forest, and Marshadow. Okay, I'm putting that back there. We got 2 packs. I just obliterated that pack. Energy, Golbat, Metapod, Torcat, Zubat, Coughing, Dodrio, Poliwag, Spritzee, Pikachu. Ooh, that, whatever. Hello, Dodrio. Okay. Okay, so got Fairy Energy, Wartortle, Gloom, Haunter, Togepi, Esper, Squirtle, Rhyhorn, Rattata, Seeking. Please. Okay, no. Sunfix. That's cool. Well, guys, we got Marshadow. And I guess we'll open the... God. Actually... Yeah. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Yeah, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you later. Bye.